Welcome to Chapter 1, Earth's Interior. We're going to look at the inside of the Earth here in the first section. We're going to look at geology and what that is. And it's going to kind of set a basis for the following chapters as well. So, let's first start by looking at what the science of geology is. Geology is geo meaning earth, ology meaning study of. So this is the study of the earth and the forces that shape the earth and the processes that created the features on the earth, as you can see. Looking at the picture there, you got some pretty unique structures that our earth creates, and geology is going to help explain how those are created and why those are created. So just to be a bit clearer, geology is going to study the chemical and physical characteristics of rock, which is the material that forms the surface of the earth. They are also going to map different types of rock that are found on and beneath the surface, and they're going to describe your landforms. So studying surface changes. Obviously, Earth does not look the same now as it did years before. So it did take millions of years for these landforms to come about, and even through time some of these landforms deteriorate. So we have two forces that are responsible for the changing in the Earth's surface, and that's destructive forces and constructive forces. Just a little chart here to make things really easy. Constructive, with a C, creates things like landforms. This includes disposition, landslides, volcanic eruptions, floods, and destructive forces, the D, destroy landforms. So that includes weathering, erosion, landslides, again, volcanic eruptions are also going to destroy things as they create things. Earthquakes and floods will do the same. So at the beginning of geology, this is about 200 years ago, we knew some things. We were pretty certain on the fact that the Earth was a sphere. It's really more of an egg shape, but spherical nonetheless. It's pretty close to it. We do have 7 great land masses that we call continents. And the continent in the that's a typo there. It should be the word continents. Continents were made up of layers of rock, so the continents contain these layers of rock. You can see them through valleys and canyon walls. Questions that we still have for geologists is how old the Earth is. That is debated still. We know it's been around for millions of years, but the exact date of that we're not too sure on. We still wonder about our oceans and how the oceans formed, and also changes in the Earth's surfaces over time and how that works.